How to check iPhone camera is original or not. So if you want to check your iPhone camera is original or fake, then first what you need to do is go with your control center, which will be on the top. And from the control center, you need to turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off. Once you've restarted your connection, you need to come back. Now, if you have iPhone 12 or later devices, then you have to simply go with your settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with general. Now from general, you need to scroll down again and then you'll find an option of about. Once you tap on about, you will find the capacity or available GB right here. You'll have all of the information like your model name, your model number, that will be shown here. Now, if your camera is fake, then it will be shown as an unknown part. But if you have a device like iPhone 12 or lower, then what you have to do is simply go to your settings and after that you will be shown that which of your parts have been replaced or not. You can go with general again and tap on Apple Care and Warranty. And here it will show you that your iPhone parts have been refurbished or it has been changed or replaced. So under the About section, if you scroll down a bit, then you will find an option of parts and service history. So if you have changed your camera or if your device has been refurbished or it has been broken, then you may have the parts and service history, and under that you will have your camera option, and on the right side you will find the unknown parts option. If you have the unknown part, it means that you don't have original iPhone camera, and in this way you'll be able to know. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.